Here, all people is to related. Mag-share kayo ng video sa TikTok, mag-prayer kayo, what is spoken that God is loving you. Alam naman natin, ginagamit lang natin ang God panakiputa sa ating kasama sa mundo, immoral, whatever the bad marriages focus lang, and very scary, like Asian terror, celebrity singers, sexual, professional, scientists, Olympics, in the all this world of rich people and pack yourself and going to hell. You're like rewind about the question to the world, your future behind us. You know what? Kung gusto talaga yung magkaroon ng katotohanan, ay back to the Bible, back to the ministry, Bible study, baptizing, all working about the Christ program. It's not this your drama. You know, you're fucking 400 years old